All right, we got another package just came in. This is for 2012 Ducati 848 EVO. Another one where we're going to do a lost key replacement. Customer sent the dashboard. Customer sent the ignition. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the ignition, decode it, figure out what the existing cuts are. We don't change the key. We just make the existing key. Figure out what those cuts are. Put them onto a couple key blanks. Yeah, this customer wants what's paperwork? Yeah, they want 2 keys. So we're going to make them 2 keys from scratch. Make sure it works the lock nice and smooth. After that, we're going to step 2. We're going to end up putting chips into the key. Take those chips, program them into the dash. That way the anti-theft system will allow the bike to start. That's basically what I'm going to do. That's my plan of action. So I'll come back in a little bit with the key made and chips programmed, and that's it. I'll record part 2 before I ship it back to the customer. Thank you. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Basically, keys are now programmed. I mean, they are programmed, but the keys are now made from scratch. On, off, steering bolt lock, park. Park, off. That's it. Keys do have chips in it. You want to know how I know they work? Let's read the chip. Chip 1. Chip 2. So key 1 and 2. The reason I know they work because when I started, the chips are blank. Now the chips have data on it. So the keys are now written into the dashboard. Now after this point, it's just plug and play. So if you need my help, give me a call. Go to the website, www.ACM Locksmith Group. Keep in mind, I don't provide tech support. I don't tell people how to fix their bikes. What I deal with is the keys and programming. So basically, I do a lot of lost key replacements and spare keys. Anything other than that, bypassing systems and all that kind of stuff, I don't do it. So just give me a call. If you need my help, I'll tell you what I need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.